Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful Valentine Day nail design using Revel nail dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cherael Symone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder, Ballet and Day of Revel number 7 from Revel Nails. I've already applied my tips and prepped my nails off camera. I have a video on how I prep my nails. I'll link it in the cards and in the description below, so check it out after this video. So I used the Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails, then I'm using Pro Dip Clay Dip Powder as my base and to build an apex. So I apply base to half of the nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder, and then I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the clear dip powder again. So starting with the pinky nail, I'm using Ballet, which is a beautiful soft pastel pink color. It's very nice. I needed 3 layers to reach full opacity. However, you could get away with using 2 layers. I did the same on my index finger as well. This pastel kit that I picked up from Revel Nail is very nice. The colors are great for spring and summer. The designs are endless with this kit. The dip powders are very nice, but the liquids aren't that great in my opinion. I used the Pro Dip brand of liquids. Now onto the ring finger, I'll be using the freebie dip powder that I got, and I'm telling you guys, this powder is so gorgeous. The shimmers in it makes the powder really nice. I achieved full opacity on 1 layer, but I did another because who does 1 layer? That's ludicrous. What I like about this dip powder is that the shimmer doesn't go away when it's applied to the nail. It's not as shimmery on the nail as it is in the container, but there is still shimmer on the nail. I had that issue with Flirty dip powder from Revel Nails where there was so much shimmer in the container and none on my nails. But you won't have that issue with this dip powder. Now onto the thumb, I'm doing a color block design with both the Ballet and the freebie. So I'm just going to stay quiet and let you guys watch it. Just remember, it's all about how you angle your hands to achieve the designs. And also, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button down below to let me know what you think. I'd also like to mention that I did 3 layers to achieve full opacity because the pink needed more layers than the Revel freebie color. So I encapsulated with 2 layers of Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder off camera, and then I used activator to harden the nails, and I waited 5 minutes, then I began filing. So this is after filing. Now I'm just going to take the Model 1's pink and purple gel polish and also the pink gel glitter and the defective gel polish pen to achieve my design. From here I'm applying some sunscreen because I'm going to be in the lamp a few times in one session. So on a piece of paper, I'm placing some of the pink and purple gel polish. Then taking a piece of tissue and I'm just placing the tissue into the gel polish and then lightly patting it onto my nail randomly. Just some light pats on the nail. Now, using the Model 1's pink glitter, I just randomly place strokes all over the nails. Then I cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then I apply my gel top coat. I did 2 layers because the glitter was a little textured still, so that's why I applied a second layer. Then I just wiped the nails with some alcohol off camera, and now I'm using my Queen stamping plate. I'm going to be using the white stamper today, and I'm using the heart patterns to achieve my nail design. So I apply white stamping polish to the heart design and then I scrape it at a 45-degree angle. Then place my transparent stamper to pick up the design and then I roll it onto my middle finger. I did the same for my ring finger. I received a lot of problems getting the image to transfer the second time around. I'm a bit new to this stamping, so I'm not fully sure of what I did wrong. Because it works sometimes and then it works, then sometimes it doesn't. However, I did it successfully at the end. So I've used the black stamping polish before in a video. I'll link in the cards and in the description below. And in my opinion, the white stamper is way easier to use because it's way less mess. The black stains my hands because I don't have any latex polish to apply on my cuticles. Also, I like using stampers with gel polish because it's easier to use acetone to clean up around the cuticles without messing up the design, since acetone doesn't penetrate the gel polish. However, when using regular top coat, it can penetrate and mess up the design. So now I apply top coat to my nails, and before I cure, I bling out the index and the pinky nail with some rhinestones. And I cure for 60 seconds. At the end of this video, I'll show you how I changed the shiny top coat to a matte finish. So stay till the end if you want to see how it's done. And now I apply my cuticle oil. So after about a week, I decided to make the middle and the ring finger matte. So what you will need is a smooth surface nail buffer, and all you would do is just buff the surface of the nail. This is a quick nail hack if you don't have any matte top coat. And also let me know which one you prefer. Do you prefer the matte or the shiny nails? Comment down below. So do you guys see the difference? So if you like this video, you're gonna wanna check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!